New Zealand as well. I'm going to have a word with Justin and hear his thoughts on this possible move. Since Putin
Oh.
Justin has had a lot to think about. It sounds like
Look at the
you're
hiccup.
the head in this relationship. She's the heart. You're the practical one that thinks about the nuts and bolts. Whereas Sharon, she seems to have fallen in love with the whole idea of moving forward.
I think that's fair comment.
What's that?